Hey there, welcome back to Gardening with Liz. I'm here at the Arroyo High School Farm Lab where I'd like to talk to you a little bit today about harvesting onions, anything in the onion family, onions, green onions, garlic, shallots. All of these are winter crops and they take a long time to grow, like 6 months to get a bulb of garlic or an onion. So I'm going to show you today how to know when they're ready to harvest and how you're going to wash them off so they look real nice at the end. All right, here we go. So here you see our green onion bed. They're all looking very happy and healthy. They were recently thinned out, which means they were separated and planted on their own so they could get bigger. And here we've got an onion flower about to bloom. I'll take some photos when it's ready next week. But basically you are waiting for your onion to bloom, and then the stalk itself and the flower will go to seed. The stalk will die. The leaves will all turn brown like this. And that is when you know your onion or your garlic is ready to harvest. And here are some fresh ones that we thinned out today. So this was just a result of having too many seeds planted in one spot and then thinning them out so that the onions can reach their full size. Here is a picture of a white or yellow onion flower in full bloom. I think it kind of looks like a disco ball. And here's a red onion in full bloom. Chives also have this really beautiful purple flower. So when I harvest my onions, I clean them, I cut off the roots, and here you can see some green onions I harvested today. Thanks for joining us this week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.